Stop endlessly scrolling comparing AI video tools. I'm breaking down Veed and Heygen head-to-head to crown the ultimate champion. First up, avatars. Heygen excels with its hyper-realistic avatars. Check out the detail. Look at the lighting on the face as I change the background. It is incredible and lifelike. You can fully customize clothing and appearance to match your brand. Veed offers a wider range of avatar styles, including more animated and cartoonish options. Great if you're going for a specific aesthetic, but the realism is less pronounced than Heygen. The customization options are also more limited. Next, voice quality. Heygen boasts incredibly natural-sounding text-to-speech, with a vast library of voice options and accents. Listen to how smoothly it pronounces complex words. You can fine-tune the speech for emphasis and pauses. Veed's text-to-speech is decent, but the voices can sound a bit robotic compared to Heygen. They offer fewer accents, and the overall quality isn't quite as polished. Play back the video again, see if you can spot the robotic voice. Veed shines with its user-friendly video editor. Drag and drop elements, add text overlays, transitions, and even automatic subtitles with ease. It's super intuitive, even for beginners. Just look at how quickly I am adding these elements. Heygen's video editing is more basic. It focuses primarily on integrating your avatar and managing your script. While functional, it lacks the advanced features and ease of use of Veed's editor. So be mindful that it might not be the best for complex video editing. Finally, pricing. Veed offers more flexible plans, including a generous free tier with limited features. Heygen is generally more expensive, especially for higher usage limits and advanced features. Check out their website for more details. Choose what fits your budget. So, the winner, it depends. For hyper-realistic avatars and top-tier voice quality, Heygen takes the crown. But for user-friendly video editing and more affordable options, Veed is the winner.